for?
Ones.
Number is this.
1, 2.
Hello and welcome back. Super hands-on talaga itong si Mami Maha Salvador. Kahit alam nating busy ito sa kanyang taping, events at iba pang commitment sa showbiz, hindi nga nito nakakalimutan ang pinakamahalagang role, being a mom, kay Baby Maria. Ating panoorin ang video pero bago ang lahat, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit ang notification bell to keep you updated. Sa mga latest clips and photos nito, makikita natin na siya mismo ang nagtuturo sa anak ng letters, numbers at colors. Parang little homeschool session na puno ng laughter at bonding moment. Ito nga yung tipong pagmamahal na hindi lang sinasabi, kundi ipinapakita through patience, quality time at consistent effort na turuan ng anak kahit pagod na sa work. Totoo nga talaga na ang pinakamagandang parenting moments ay nasa mismong simpleng bagay na gaya nito.
Apple. B is for?
1.
C is for?
Cow.
D is for?
Dog.
What letter is this?
Elephant.
Elephant. What? Fish. G is for?
Goats.
H is for?
House.
I is for?
Apple.
J is for?
Apple.
Juice. Juice. K is for?
Cat.
L is for?
Lion.
Lion. M is for?
Mouse.
Mouse. N is for?
Nest.
Nest. O is for?
Octopus.
P is for?
Pig.
Q is for?
Queen.
R is for?
Ones.
Number is this.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, now. Yes. Where's the blue pig? Yeah. Where's the red horse? Go get it. Where's the yellow pig? Yellow pig. There. Where's the yellow cow? Where's the green horse? Where's the green sheep? Where's the red chicken? Where's the purple sheep? Where's the blue cow? Yay!
At dahil very good nga at napaka-fast learner nitong si Maria, ito ang kanyang reward from Mami Maha. Pwede na nga itong maglaro sa kanyang new toy na horsey-horsey.
Go, baby! Yeah, tigidig, tigidig. Yeah, tigidig, tigidig, tigidig. Yeah, tigidig.